All right, we're gonna do some unboxing. This is another item I ordered from China. This company, I order it through what is it, AliExpress? No, Alibaba. Alibaba. So it's another motor, just like the one I use on the mini bike. But because last time it took forever for them to send it, because I order it right when they had a big holiday. I think it's like the Workers' Day in China, and they take a whole week, 7 days off. So they couldn't ship it right away on the time accorded, and it took 2 weeks. And the guy said, "Yeah, if you order anything else, like I'm gonna give you some discount, and I'm gonna give you like a gift or something." So I ordered another motor, and he said he upgraded it to something better than the one I ordered last time. So far, it looks the same. Same deal. They did a better job last time unpacking this thing. I got the same tire. Now I got the pair. The same off-road. And this is a previous one I had. So now I got two tires that I could use on a scooter that I have to make it 100% off-road. And the motor, well, it's just a regular motor, no gift, just a motor. But they did upgrade it, the motor to, oh God, let me see if I can. All right, there it is. So it's a 60 volt, 11-inch rim, 3500 watt. I believe that one up there on the mini bike, it's a 1600 watt. The wires thickness, they look the same. Where I think the ones on the other motor, they're a little thicker than this. They never send this. I had to get it off another connector that I had. Didn't send it in this one. Well, so there it is, and like I said, it's gonna go on a stand scooter. I think I got a video, an old video of that scooter I'm talking about. It's a blue one. It's a what brand is it? Gosh, it's one of those Walmart brands, and so this motor is gonna be for that. It's gonna be really powerful. On that one, now I'm doing an upgrade on that one. I'm taking just a regular 48 volt battery that I have on it, and I'm putting two 52 volt. I think what I have right now, it's 48 volt, 17 amps, and I'm upgrading it with two 52 volt, 13 amps. So it's going to be a total of 23 amps. But there's a secret that I will show you guys later in another video. This one was just an unboxing. So yeah, there it is. It's pretty heavy. It looks well made. And hopefully stands to what they say it is. They say I think somewhere around like 70 to 90 kilometers per hour. That is gonna be way too fast for a scooter. Well, at least a stand up scooter. It doesn't have a seat on it. So I'll be making a video pretty soon on this one, and I'm recording the video for the mini bike. As soon as I get it ready, I will post in that video of the whole rebuild. But it's not much. It's just the batteries and a couple of other little things. All right. Thanks for watching. Oh, and the electric motorcycle just got more parts for it, and there's still more parts coming in. Tires, because I don't like this ones, and I'm not gonna use it for off-roading. I'll be using it on the street. So I got LED lights, signal lights, headlight, street tires, or at least I think they're gonna be like all terrain, like 40, 60, something like that. Hey, thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.